Hey everyone, I just want to give you a little tip. This is going to be a short video, so don't worry. It is about gradient. I don't know if some people don't know that you can do gradient with words, letters right here in Canva. Now there is apps. Don't get me wrong, there is apps. Let me go up here and I'm going to go over to apps and type in gradient. And look here, there is gradient generator, mesh gradient, gradients, all kinds. Wow, that's graffiti. Never mind, that's not gradient. There's all kinds of gradient gradient apps that you can use. But right here in Canva, you can do it. Sorry, my little keeps moving, the little loom. All right, so let me show you something really cool. And if you already know this, awesome. I hope you're using it. It can be used in images, get highlighted, stuff like that. It's fun. So here I have, I'm just going to use these words, she rocks. It's big, bold. You can come up here and let's see here. If I go bold or big, bold. Actually, you know what? Display always, yeah, right over here. They always have some great ones to do. So let me pick one. This is league, which I don't mind at all, but let's pick something different. Actually, I am going to pick future, like that. So we can do the whole word or you can do letters. I'm going to show you. Clicking on that, I am going to make all of the letters that color. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the color and see where it has these little sliders. So click on that. And a lot of people do this, but see here's solid color, but right over here is gradient. You can see how it already did that, but then you can change how it looks. So that is cool. You can add another color if you want. Like that. So that's really cool. Now, it also does by letter. So if you want to go like this, I'm just going to do the first word here. Let's pick a different color. Okay, so I did 3 different colors. Now I'm going to highlight this one. I'm going to go up here to the text color, and I'm going to do the slider thing again. So I'm going to click. It's going to go to gradient. It's going to automatically pick a color, but you can pick any color you want. This is how I am going to get the color I want. I'm going to go over here to the, what is that, dripper, whatever. I know the picker. I know what it's called. It's just not coming to my head right now. So I'm going to go over here and then I am going to grab this dark green. And there we go. And it did a little bit, but I'm going to take that one out. See how that changed that? And then this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pick my color and I want to go right like that. Oh, I need to go to gradient. So then color picker, I'm going to go over here. No, I wanted that color. And then actually that's the same color. Color picker, I want a light color. And then I'm going to take that out and see how it's like different. But if I wanted to, you can play around with these and have a, you know, a fun little graphic that shows here. I did it with this one. I'm going to show you how I did this because I still used the gradient, but I wanted it to be an outline because it was kind of fading into the colors. So I did the gradient right up here, clicking, and then I went to gradient, picked my two colors, and then let's see here, pick which one I like. Kind of feel I like that one for now. And then I went over to effects right up here, the floating menu, and I did outline. And you can click on how much of the outline. You can click on the color. Let's see here. Just seeing which ones work. So the shadow will work with it. The lift will work with it. Hollow does not. Outline, of course. Echo does. And so I'm going to go back over to outline. Let's see here. I kind of would like a different, not so much black. Let's see. I don't mind that one. And then the thickness, I could probably go like right there. And then if you want to get real fun, you can do an animate. Like once, let's see here. That's fun. That's just the typewriter. But you would have to, you'd have to download this, not, you'd have to download it as a MP4 instead of a PNG. But still, it works. All right. Kind of little tips to use for text.